Hi, welcome to iTech YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux. Kali Linux is the most famous operating system that used for hacking and penetration testing. First, go to Kali Linux official website and download the ISO file. You can find the link in the description. And don't forget to always use official site to download this kind operating systems. You can install this operating system on your physical PC or VMware. In this case I'm going to use VMware. Now follow the steps on the video. Select the location that you want to save the Kali Linux operating system. If you need to run Kali Linux smoothly, you need at least 2 GB RAM capacity. In this menu, select the ISO file that you downloaded from Kali Linux official website. In this menu, select Start Installer option. This installation same like other Linux OS installations. Here select your language, location and keyboard layout. Then click Next. Enter the host name for your system. In this menu, enter the full name of user and username and password. Here you can select the first option. It will use full capacity of hard disk without partitioning. Select all files in one partition and click Continue. To finish the disk configurations, click Continue. Per write the changes to disk, select Yes and click Continue. Here select Yes and click Continue. Select Yes to install Grub bootloader. Here select the second option and click Continue. When the installation done, it will reboot automatically. Now enter the username and password that you gave during the installation. Great! Now you have successfully installed Kali Linux. Here you can see bunch of hacking tools and pen testing tools. Be careful to use this kind tools and never try to access other system without permission. Enjoy the installation and don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video.